Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. Now, I've been a very big fan of Divoom products in the past. I've reviewed so many, I'll have them all linked in my description as well. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but I've got one of the products that I reviewed a while back. That's the Divoom Max. Now, it's a really cool indoor LED pixel art display that you can use for various different things. Now, Divoom have sent me a new product here. It's a pre-release model and it's called the Pixoo Max. This is the successor to the Pixoo, which exists currently on their website. Now, this is currently available on crowdfunding at the time of this video. I'll leave a link in the description below for where you can find information on funding this on Indiegogo. If you are watching this video in the future and it has been released, then I will update the link in the description for the actual purchase of this device. Now, this stands out more than its successor for being a multi-purpose LED pixel art display. It's brighter, it's larger at 32 by 32 centimeters, and there's so many different uses for this, and I'm going to give you an unboxing. Some of the things that come with this, it's a little bit unique as well. You can use it for not just indoor, but you can use it for your car. So that's the one thing that really stands out for this. You can use it in the shop if you have your own restaurant or cafe or whatever it may be, then you can use it for that as well. I'm going to showcase some of those scenarios and loads of other stuff that you're really going to enjoy. So let's get straight into the video. Guys, let's give this an unboxing. It's very compact. This is absolutely very lightweight as well, so convenient. Wow, take a look at that. It comes with a screen protector already as well, so that's a very nice touch to have. And in true Divoom fashion, they always provide you with some additional stickers that you can use. So you've got some cool ones here. You can use that wherever you like. Now, this gives you information of using this both indoor and in car as well. So like I mentioned, it can be used to display on your car screen, and I'll show you some use cases for that shortly. So here you have a very nice, very long USB-C charging cable. So that's very durable. I like the material on this. And this is the clip which will go onto the back of this. Inside there. There you go. And then you can use this as a stand, like so. Right, so in addition to all of that, they send you some additional items here for the in-car display. So you have two suction cups there to connect this to your windows. And this is a nice touch as well. They give you a USB charging port there, a dual charging port for the outlet on your car as well. And then you also have the power outlet connector itself. So to power the device, you can use this, or you can use the integrated cable. Okay, let's turn this on. Get a nice beep. So just to show you guys what is on the back, you have the USB-C charging port just inside there. You also have the mount for the desk stand, and you also have a mount here for the car stand as well. So this is the car mount here, the screw at the top, and then use the suction cup on your window. On the right hand side, you have the two buttons here. You have the power on button and the cycle button for the different displays. So if I press that, you can see I can just go through all the top pixel arts available at the moment. Now, this basically has all of the standout features that the Pixoo already has. So that includes the retro style pixel art creation that you can use from the Divoom app. You get the daily functions like the weather, the date, or the temperature. You have the alarm clock functions as well. You have a music visualizer and plenty more options. So you have your gallery as well. You can cycle through, change a lot of the designs, play around with all of this, so all the standard functions. And there's many different use cases for this, but I will be connecting this with my car window. So I'll showcase you with the car mount attached some of the use cases for that, and also some of the use cases of having this around the house as well. So let's get straight into that. Okay, so if you're going to use this in your car, you can actually use this as a signpost for your taxi delivery service. So if you, for example, work for Uber, you can display Uber on there every time you are at work. And also, if you're driving on the road and someone lets you through, then you might want to just say thank you to them as well. So you can give a little thumbs up for that. Or if you're just using your car for practicing to learn to drive, then you can have the L plate displayed on there as well and just showcase to other people that you are currently learning. Now, if you do have an iPhone, then you can do voice commands as well, and it can display different things based on the different commands you set. But at the moment, I don't have an iPhone and it's not available on Android, but you can say things like, okay Siri, show me the thumbs up icon. So if you are wanting to display the thumbs up for any driver behind you, then you can do that through voice commands as well. Now, if you are in a shop or a restaurant and you wanted to display certain information, whether that's a special discount code or if you're open or closed or anything like that, then this is a very cool way to do that as well. Likewise, you can just use this as a message board when you're welcoming people at the airport or coming back from a long distance. Or if you're just going to have this around the house, then you may want to display this on a shelf or on the wall. You can use it for many purposes like a clock or a gaming display or anything you like as well. Okay, so that's about it guys. So if you did find this review useful on the hands-on with the Pixoo Max, then make sure you like this video just like this. And if there's any other questions you have, then do drop a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Check out the link in the description for the Indiegogo crowdfunding for this device. It's awesome. I just love the Divoom products. It's so slick and retro. I'm going to be using this in various different places around the house. So hope you subscribe. I hope you found this useful like this guy did, and I'll catch you guys next time. Take care.